So over here, you can see that I have a design right here, and this design has been shared out with the other user as well. To see what users this design has been shared with, you can go around onto the export area right here. Once you click on the export button, you can go around and see the users right here. You can also add in more members if you want to. If I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that there's another user who has the view access, and I can tell that because the eye icon is being shown right now. If I were to click on the eye icon, then you can see that you have an option to change around to can edit the copy right here, or you can remove the member altogether as well. So if I were to go around and click on can edit copy, the permission level changes out. And over here, I am in my other account now. And right now, you can see that the other person is only able to view this particular design file. But if they were to refresh the link now, and since I have upgraded the permission level, you can see that edit the design is an option for them now. So they can go around and click right here and then start editing this design just like this. So they can go around, make around the changes right here to the design as they like. And that is how you can go around and give editing access to other users inside of VistaCreate. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.